On this not being very good at math, because when we bend it, it's going to stay, right?
Yeah.
Take a load off, Fanny. All right, so I had to dip out pretty quick on that tourism video, but hopefully I helped out a little bit with some fill in the background for extras. And I get back to the shop and look, there's a cool car here. Let's look at it. Whose car is that? It's Michael's. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing.
You doing?
Doing. What you doing, man? Just out for a ride?
No, come to check you out.
Oh, okay.
See what y'all doing over here.
We are making some brackets, it looks like. I think you figured it out finally, so.
I'm cutting stuff up.
Don't be breaking them, because we don't have.
Okay, action.
What were we just talking about?
Being old.
Yeah, y'all were sitting here talking about getting some.
Look, some cheaters. We need them. I got triple bifocals. You're gonna get just cheaters, right?
I need bifocals at this point because I can't see far away, so I wear contacts and I can't see up close anymore. I need a flashlight down here while I'm welding.
And they're sitting here talking about this. I'm like, y'all are sitting here talking about some old people stuff, and they're like, "How old are you?"
We old. You on the way?
I'm on the way. Look at
You are a whippersnapper.
look at that gray. Oh wait, let me.
Look at
Yeah.
Mike's gray and my gray.
Oh, he's got a lot more gray than I. Look at, he's running because he's got a lot of gray. Look at Russell's gray. Russell has gray. They are older and wiser than I am. Don't get that hammer.
It's stress gray. I'm going to try to find a plug. And then we're going to cut this little steak pocket hole out. We're going to cut this steak pocket assembly out so that I can get to this flat spot. So our
okay, let me see.
comes off of here
Right here.
and onto here.
So this piece right here is getting flattened.
Yeah, we're going to cut that off because the bracket's going to bolt to here and needs to come out to these two flat areas.
Okay.
Here we go again. It's an explanation.
Yeah,
this
because-
is going to bolt onto this like so.
Yes.
So we need it to be flat on here, but it needs to go deeper.
Oh, I see now.
And I can't put this on the wall like that.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be crappy.
Yes, I
So,
understand.
like back here,
It's all flat.
it's going to be there, like
Perfect. Look at that. Okay, I understand why we're cutting that. I was just thinking too hard about it. I know. All right, we got this thing bolted. Well, yeah, it's bolted to the wall. It's screwed to the wall. It's up there. It is. It's sturdy, you know? It only has a couple screws in it and a few bolt points, but we've got to do a lot more. But you get the gist of what we're doing. This thing can hang high, way up there on the wall. And dude, this is going to be so cool.
Look at your little gas tank.
Hold on.
Hold on.
It was
Let's set her up.
way out there. Let's put the rims underneath it.
We got to take it off the wall to put the rims under it.
No.
How you going to get them back here?
Okay, we can't get the rims. Maybe we can get that one.
We can't get it back here.
It looks so good with rims underneath it.
You need some hubcaps to throw on there.
All right. Yeah, so we're going to get out of here.
Yep.
It's about 5:30, and we've been hard at it all day. It's taking a lot longer.
Yeah, and we had to go get parts. And every time you go somewhere, you got to talk.
Oh yeah,
How you run into somebody that you know, and you can't help but
yeah.
like going by Killian's. I know everybody there,
We had to
so I
talk
had
to
to talk to
everybody.
everybody.
So,
It just
but
is.
we're doing this right too.
But I'm enjoying myself.
Oh yeah, me too.
So, and we're supposed to be doing what makes us happy.
And this is
If anybody doesn't think I enjoy this work, it's fun, man.
It
It's
is.
creation. It's just
and I'm
It's
learning.
problem solving.
I'm learning in the process of how to do this, and it's enjoyable to learn a new skill, a new trade, whatever. I'm ready to start welding too.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm ready to start welding. But let's go. We got to get out of here.
Yeah, my
so
old
we
lady's
can-
waiting on me.
Yeah. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna pick up on this again tomorrow, and y'all can see what we're gonna do tomorrow. All right, appreciate y'all watching, guys.